Hi everyone, my name is Kim, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand twist out. So what I wanted to do first was show you what my hair looks like naturally. I don't have any product in my hair, and my hair has been like this for a few days. So I'm doing a 3-strand twist out because my hair naturally isn't that defined. So this is my hair after I wash it. It looks defined now, but as you saw in the previous clip, my hair just poofs out. So I need to do something that can hold a style. So this is why I'm going to do a twist out. So what I'm going to do at first is I'm going to put some deep conditioner in my hair. I usually put it all throughout my hair in the beginning because I tend to forget how much product I put in certain parts of my hair. So once I'm done with this leave-in conditioner, I will be done. Also, I'm not really that great on products and what they do for your hair. I just use what I have and get random things, and it seems to work for my hair. I'll show you what I used anyway, but I'm not professional and I don't know what's best for all hair types, so choose what you want, I guess. So right now I am going to part my hair into sections. So I first part it in half, and then I put it in a scrunchie and a ponytail off to the side. Then on the other half, I split that one in half as well, put that part in another ponytail, and then I work with the back section. With the back section, I am now going to put in some curling custard, and then I'm going to use mousse, and then I'm going to use gel. I'll show you all those products except for the gel because it was a huge tub, but it is the Eco Styler pink one. I believe it's either 8 or 9 hold. So I put all the product into my hair, and then I'm done with that section for the custard because, like I said earlier, I just forget when I put product in my hair. So I know if I at least put it in the beginning, I don't have to worry about it later. So I'm going to section my hair into 3 different parts. So I'm going to have 3 sections, 3 braids for each section. So I'm going to have a total of 3 twists in the end. So I'm going to put the mousse in now, and then I'm going to put the gel in after I comb it out. In the video, you'll see me either put the gel in before or after I comb it out. I don't think it really matters. Sometimes I just forget, and then I just do whatever order works for me. So first, I comb it out to make sure that all the product is evenly distributed through my hair. I start from the bottom and I work my way up so that all my hair will be detangled and that it still has a nice little curl from this brush. So once I'm done combing out my hair and putting the gel in right now, what I'm going to do after is make sure that the gel is all throughout the hair, but I don't put too much on, just enough to make sure that it's still nice and moist. After I'm done with that, I'm going to section my hair into 3 parts, and then I'm going to start off doing a braid. The braid is only going to be about 1 inch or so, and it's just to start the style and to keep it in place at the root. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the outer strand, and then it's going to go underneath. So the one that's closest to my face is going to go all the way to the outside. As you see, I'm going underneath, twisting it under, and the one that's closest to my face is always going to be the one that goes under. And once it goes under, it's going to be the one that's always on the outside. So as you can see, I'm doing that, doing it nice and slow, and then you'll see that I drag my hand all the way to the bottom of the twist. The reason why I do that is to make sure that it doesn't get matted and it doesn't get tangled. Sometimes I move too fast that it does get tangled, so then you'll see me a couple times throughout this video pick up my comb and comb through it. That way it won't get tangled, and that way it'll stay nice and smooth. Also, I use it after I bring some hair to another part of the twist because sometimes one strand is shorter than the other. So I just need to make sure that it stays consistent and smooth throughout. So that's how I do the first twist. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you understood that. Once I'm done with the end, I can't usually twist it all the way to the end because the strands are too short. So what I do is I just put gel on the last inch of hair that I did not twist, and then I just twirl it around with my finger, as you will see here. So that was the first twist. Now I'm just going to speed up the process because it'll probably just take too long to record. So as you can see, I sectioned each part. I'm still using the comb at times, still putting the mousse, still putting the gel in, and for each one, there's an inch at the bottom, and I put the gel and twist it with my fingers. Each section has 3 twists, so in the end, I have a total of 12 twists. So as you can see here, there's 12. This product is still white on some parts, but that's just because it's so wet. Once it dries, that whiteness will go away. So this is what it looks like if you wanted to style it or have it down. So this is what my hair looks like in the morning after it dried. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of coconut oil and just untwist the twists. I am going to make sure I'm very careful, that way it won't get matted or nappy and frizzy. So that's what I'm doing right now, is slightly and carefully untwisting it. Now I'm just going to speed it up and show you what it looks like at the end. So now that I undid all the twists, I'm now going to go in and to make my hair look more voluminous. So I'm just going to put up my hair and take down one twist, take some coconut oil and lightly pull strands apart to make it look like I have a lot more curls than I actually do. It not only helps with it looking more defined, but it also helps with giving more dimension and more volume. And unfortunately, my hair, some strands were a little wet because it didn't completely dry overnight, but I already started and I decided just to continue. So this one was a little damp, and some are dry, some are damp. So I guess you can see in the end, it's just a little frizzy in the back, but other than that, it looks good to me. So this is the end product. All the twists are down and all of them are separated to make sure I have more volume, more defined curls, and to make it look like I have a lot more hair than it looked like previously when I took it down. I don't usually do my baby hairs, I don't know how, so this is what it will end up looking like. As you can see in the back, it's a little frizzy in some parts, and that's because my hair was still wet when I took it down, so it was harder to hold that curl when it was wet. But yeah, so this is what it looks like after. As you can tell, I'm really happy with the results. I will do this again, and I hope that when you guys try it, it turns out just as nice or actually even better. So as you can see, I'm feeling myself. And here are some other pictures that I took afterward. And then this is a progression. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.